First thing you need to do is isolate the water and double check the water's off by opening the tap, making sure no water can flow from the tap. Next thing you need to do is to remove the handle. There's a small chrome plug opposite the lever. Just need to get your fingers out there and prise it out, like so, and put aside. Next, you need a 2.5mm Allen key to insert into that hole, locate it into the grub screw and turn anti-clockwise, which should release the handle. Now we can see the cartridge itself. This green spline adapter, you'll need to take that off and set aside. And the easiest way to get these out, because the flats are sunken into the body, is to use a socket set. This is a 17mm, I believe, which it is. And then get your socket set, and you need to turn this anti-clockwise. When you're doing it, don't just yank it open. Brace the tap, because we don't want to damage the water connection underneath, which is connected to the bottom of the tap, which we can't see. So always push against your hand rather than just opening with the tap, because the tap will just spin. So bracing the tap, some of them are quite tight. Open. Once you've slackened it off a bit, you can take your hand off. And that is the valve removed. So it looks like it's had a bit of use. Now we need to do in reverse what we've just done. This is the new valve from Tapmagician. It comes with a screw in it. We don't need the screw. Let's take the screw out. And put it back in. Tighten up clockwise. Socket. Same again, when you're tightening up, you want to be holding onto the tap so you're not putting any stress on that joint underneath. That's nice and tight. Then the spline adapter back on, and then the handle back on. So you got to get it right so it's opening and closing to the right way. We don't want it like this, hitting the wall. And that looks right there. Allen key back in there to tighten up that grub screw. And then a little chrome plug back in. Right, I shall go and turn the water on and make sure it's correct. It's the water reinstated. Open the plug off. And that's the valve successfully changed. Thanks for watching.